Happy National Tourism and Travel Week. I'm in my old hometown of Dawsonville, Georgia, spending some much needed time with my family.
Just want to say a quick thanks to all the tourism and travel workers out there, and I can't wait to see you again soon.
Hey everybody, happy Tourism and Travel Week. This is Dave Roberts from Tucson, Arizona. I'm standing in front of Beyond Bread, one of our local favorite sandwich places that I love to come and get lunch from. I'm really proud to be part of the power of travel and tourism, and proud to work for Simpleview.
Happy Travel and Tourism Week from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I'm Dave Peacock from Simpleview, and I want to say to everybody in the industry, thanks for doing such a great job, doing an awesome job of pulling together and innovating and changing things. We'll get through this. Look forward to seeing you in the future.
Happy National Tourism and Travel Week. Can't wait to have this little guy be born so I can show him all the amazing destinations there are.
Happy Tourism and Travel Week from Little Elm, Texas. I'm so proud to be a part of the travel and tourism industry, and I wanted to thank all the travel workers for everything they did to keep things going over the past year.
Happy Tourism and Travel Week from Tucson, Arizona.
Happy National Tourism and Travel Week from Wilmington, North Carolina.
Happy National Tourism Week. Thanks to everyone who weathered the storm last year. Can't wait to get back on the road.
We're not on the way back, but we're on our way back. And look forward to a hearty recovery. Cheers from Simpleview.